Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how to unlock screen lock or FRP remove. Tecno Infinix new security phones with TSM tool flash mode. Go to Mediatek tab, then go to service and select your model. If you don't know model, then select manual MTK new method. Follow the process. If you have drivers problem can fix by this step. TSM tool is best working tool for MDMKG lock remove in Samsung phones. Very host update. Added support remove KG 2024-2025 patches. All chips. Qualcomm, Exynos, Mediatek, SPRD. Install the USB driver, then filter Mediatek drivers. FRP remove done. Now do factory reset. Like this video and follow me on all platforms. Comment on this video and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for receiving notification of my upcoming videos. So being with video again. Phones has successfully done. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.